Are you looking to utilize high-quality presets and customizable templates to create compelling animated videos? We say, look no further than MisterHorse. This plugin could very well be your trusted companion in the world of motion design and video production. It offers a treasure trove of powerful tools and resources to streamline the editing process, allowing you to apply professional-grade visual effects with ease. Hi there, fellow creators! I'm Kat, and today with VidPros, we're taking stock of the handy MisterHorse and what you can do with its Premiere Composer, a free plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro. As I mentioned, MisterHorse enhances the video editing process by providing a wide range of customizable motion design tools. With its user-friendly interface and an extensive library of presets and templates, MisterHorse makes it easier than ever to add stunning animations, transitions, and effects to your projects. Now, within its impressive arsenal are two offerings in particular: Animation Composer and Premiere Composer, which are designed to streamline tasks within Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro respectively. Animation Composer, now offered as Animation Composer 3, provides a broad range of pre-built motion design presets, including transitions, text animations, and effects, allowing editors and creators like you to quickly apply dynamic elements to their projects without the need for complex keyframe animation. On the other hand, Premiere Composer, a newer product, promises a collection of customizable templates for creating high-quality video content directly within Premiere Pro, effectively simplifying tasks like title design, lower thirds, and video transitions. But don't just take our word for it, let's take a closer look at Premiere Composer. After installing Premiere Composer and the starter pack that automatically comes with it, you can launch the plugin by extending the Window tab, hovering over Extensions, and clicking Premiere Composer. Within the starter pack, you'll find text boxes, text presets, transitions, and sounds, or sound effects. Under text boxes and text presets, simply select the option you want to apply and drag it onto the lower tab where your timeline is. You can fiddle around with the duration based on your project requirements. You can also select the clip, which will open the Edit tab, showcasing multiple options for customization. So feel free to explore and let your imagination run wild. For transitions, similar to the text effects, you only have to decide where on your timeline you'd like to apply the option of your choosing. Note that an icon on the right side of the options means there are variations to that base option. And upon dragging your chosen effect to your timeline, it will automatically include an accompanying audio effect. If you'd prefer to apply only the transition, simply uncheck the Add Sound option on the right. For sounds, it may help to note that you can change the pitch of your chosen effects, which means you'll have all sorts of ways to get creative and customize the effects to your liking. Finally, if that isn't enough, you can extend the plugin's functions through the user library, where you can create and edit your own effects. Premiere Composer supports motion graphics templates, or MOGRTs, images, sound effects, and a number of video formats. You can drag the clips or effects you want to use, or preview them by double-clicking the asset. So, what do you think of MisterHorse and its Premiere Composer so far? Would you like us to preview any other features? Or what would you like us to cover next? Here at VidPros, we aren't just video editors on demand. We're a community that values leveraging technology to empower creatives like you. Schedule a call with us today and join us in crafting quality in every frame. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, keep creating and editing.